Hey guys, what's up? So today's video is about how to make 5K with zero money whatsoever dealing with cars. So let's get right into the video. So it's actually pretty simple, if I'm being totally honest, because if you don't have money, but you know how to take pictures, you know how to write ads, you know a bit about cars, a bit about engines, a bit about, drivetrains, transmissions, stuff like that, it's actually really simple. What you need to do is you go onto your local website and you find physical persons that are selling cars and the ads are not as good. Try to find those ones that have like one picture, or that one picture is like half of the car is cut out of the picture and the car looks actually decent and the price is decent, mileage decent, everything. The whole ad overall should be decent looking. And take that car out, call the person and tell them like this. So I can take your car, or maybe you can take the car together. We can take it, we can wash it together if you don't trust me, because the client will not know you. We can wash the car, I'll take pictures, I'll edit them in Photoshop. I even have a separate video on YouTube, you can check it out, where we show how to take pictures professionally with zero money whatsoever. And you take the car, make those pictures, make a good title, make a good description, use ChatGPT maybe to help yourself out. If you do not know the engine or the specs of the transmission or drivetrain whatsoever, take the code number of the engine from the documentation of the car, and you will get every single info on the internet, or just ask ChatGPT if you're lazy. And that's it. So what do? You take a car that's listed for, let's say, 17,000 euros. You take that car and you prepare the car, you wash the car. So let's say washing the car, you're gonna pay for it or you're not. So either you wash it yourself and spend around, let's say, 8 euros on those machines that, that have tokens. 8 euros on washing, and you spend another 0 euros on taking pictures, which is amazing, right? Basically for free. So the title is a bit scamful because you spent 8 euros. So you take out the car and you list the car even a bit more expensive. You take out the car and you list it at 17,900. Why do you do that? Because once you'll be able to do professional pictures and to make a good description and ensure that somebody that is looking into the ad feels as in this is a professional ad and this person is trustworthy selling the car, you'll be able to maybe even hit the jackpot with the car. Because I always try to put cars the first week of selling a bit higher. So I put the price a bit higher because sometimes you get lucky and you sell the car more expensive. Why not? Because keep in mind just one thing. You can always sell a car. You can always give discount to the client. You can always lower the price, but you can never take the price up. So once you put the price at 17, you can't tell the client, no, now it's 18. So you can always lower the price, but you can never take it higher. So what you do before meeting with the client, of course, is negotiate a commission sale. So it can be 500 euros or it could be 1K. That depends on how strong you are at negotiating. But always be kind. Try to not take no for an answer. Try to, persuade them. Maybe they'll take the bait. But if you can't, just say, okay, have a good day, bye-bye. So, and you don't do that with one car only. You call 10, 20 people. So you can do this for 10 cars, 20 cars in 1 week, because you already have nothing else to do. This doesn't take much time. To wash a car and to take pictures, it takes around 1 to 2 to 3 hours. Depends on how deep will you go with the pictures. So you negotiate how much money the client will give you when you sell the car. You list the car automatically a bit more expensive. Wait 1 week. wait 1 week with this price. If it does not sell within 1 week, then you lower to this price, to original price. And you're still gonna get 500 or 1K, depends on how good you negotiate it. And let's say you call 20 people the first week of doing this. You call 20 people and 5 of them say, yes, you can come and do this. So 5 people, and 5 people will give you 1K. That altogether is 5,000 euros. And I guarantee you, if you do everything accordingly, if you put the right price, you will be able to sell those cars within a month. And that's the easiest 5K that you can earn with no invested money. Basically, the only money that you're gonna invest is into the washing, and that's it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good one.